Hey, welcome to Try Trying Harder. I'm Guido, and this is gonna be a Lego build with this little bag, a Technic Mars Rover. 7 and up. This is number 3682, NASA Mars Rover Perseverance. Check this thing out. As you know, I love these little bags. This has 83 pieces in it, and I haven't really seen many of these little bags with Technic, so it'll be fun. Let's go ahead and see how it goes. Here's the bag. Look at that good old close-up. Let's get to the pieces. And all right, just a quick and dirty here. Not trying to make it super pretty, just trying to find the pieces. So that's all the 83 or so pieces. So we'll start cranking away here with step 1. We got 19 steps. Start building. NASA engineers up in here. Haven't built Technic in a while, so this will be new. Get some of these rods in here, something like that. Gotta build this piece now. A few posts. Bam. Ooh, there you go. Little alien looking guy. Slide this on. And we add it through here. Little arm action. White plate. These don't have the satisfying Lego click. See if I can get some of those for you. Get this on there. There you go. Now we're gonna use some of these elbows, like so. Plate. Some red vines. Get in your home. Man, we're really building a robot here. Building a rover. Think like that. Get this other elbow on. Lock her all in. Get these white pieces. Oops, sorry, I missed a piece. Apparently it's too advanced for me. Get this guy on, I missed this one. That makes things line up better. There we go. Now we put this on and it fits. It's like a tank. All right, now we're gonna use these little pieces. Some Twizzlers this time. Get this guy in here. Go all the way through. Boom. Need another one? We got you. And boom. Now where's it go? All right, we'll throw it on here, I guess. And throw this one on here. Look, yeah. Now we look like a spaceship. This ain't Star Wars. Next up, all these things, lots of them. Get this on here. Little red guy, just building up this chassis like that. Oh, sick. Get this like drill looking combine thing in here. Put this bad boy in there. Boom. Woo. Get one of these janky pieces. Hold it in there. Yeah, look at that. Oh, now we're building some eyes. This one, a golden rod, some arm looking things. Yep. Some eyes. Whoop. I think it's like that. Now Perseverance can see. Stick it on here. Oh, see, already screwed up again. We missed a piece. This goes here first. I'm not good at following directions. Maybe I'm not 7 and up. Much better. Now the gear. Yeah. Get this angle. Pop in this black piece. Hold that gear in place. Cool, look at that. Let's work on the wheels, or I should say the axles. This piece, put a little ball joint on there. One of these. Like so. Gray one, this one. That makes sense. And then one of these black ones. Like that. ×2. Do it again. Here's the second one. Now we just attach them. And this side, we got these ball joints up here. And just pop this across here. Easy peasy. That's pretty cool. That is kind of engineering. Alright, now we make another arm. Take one of these. Slap that on, pop this in. 2 of these black ones. There you go. And you just attach that to here. Easy peasy. Look at that. Do the other side. This guy, slap that in. Click. These 2 on there. Ready to connect. Right there. Ready to put the wheels on. When's that happen? Gotta build the drill. This one. This guy. Alright. Some of that. This other one right here. Got a lot of pivot points. This long one in there. This one. I think can we fit that little guy in there? That little guy? There's a drill. Put that on the arm. Nice. That is cool beans. Now the wheels. So you got 4 of these that we just put this into. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more. We're gonna build these ones up a little bit. Snap this in here. Oh, there's no satisfying click. Use one of these. And then we gotta slide it in here. Nice. Next. There we go. Yep, right in here. Wow. This is awesome. I kind of love this thing. So you got a lot of movement with the tires. They obviously roll. You can move your little camera and sensors around. And then this, I just can't get over this little movement. This is awesome. Little gears built in. Move your drill around and then hello water. There's a back view. Just try and give you all the views of this. If you didn't catch it while we built it. There should be. Sweet. Shut the front door. This thing is awesome. Look at it go. They did a fantastic job on this. I think there's a lot of playability with this. It looks great to put on your little knick-knack shelf of space collectibles, especially if you're a NASA fan or a Mars fan. I think it's great that they added this little mechanism in here. They really didn't have to, and it still would have been cool. This is just makes it better. They have the cool ball joints here that kind of help with the maneuverability of the wheels. Like it. Only slight nick I could say is maybe put some kind of clear peg on here just for kind of a lens camera-ish. Just a small thing. Other than that, great. And then again, just maybe have made some textured tires. But I mean, really, I think these are very small nits that you could still take it or leave it. It just would have been that little extra. So what do you guys think? We're gonna go find some life on Mars or what? Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. What do you guys think of this little guy? Any rover lovers out there that want to pick one of these up? I still seen them around, especially over at like Target. Been a bunch of them. And then I kind of screwed up a little bit as I built this, as you might have saw if I didn't edit it out. So I guess the next time I pick up a Technic set and build it in front of camera, I'll follow the instructions better and try trying harder.